Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the rest point of chapter 3rd of history of class 9th. The title of the chapter is Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. In the previous video, we have discussed about the birth of the Weimar Republic, Treaty of Versailles, the rise of Hitler, Nazi worldview. In this video, we are going to discuss youth in Nazi Germany. All schools were cleaned and purified. Means Jews teachers were dismissed. It means they were not allowed to enter the schools and teach the German children. Jews, the physically handicapped Germans, and gypsies were thrown out of the schools and later sent to gas chambers. German and Jewish children could not sit and play together. A prolonged period of ideological training for good German students was planned. School textbooks were rewritten. Racial science was introduced to justify Nazi ideas of race. Children were taught to be loyal and submissive, hate Jews, and worship Hitler. 10-year-old children had to enter Jungvolk. At 14 years of age, all boys had to join the Nazi youth organization that was also known as Hitler Youth. They had to join the labor service at 18 years of age. Now we are going to discuss the Nazi cult of motherhood. Boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and steel-hearted. Girls had to become good mothers and rear pure-blooded Aryan children. All mothers were not treated equally. Women who were racially undesirable children were punished. Women who bore racially desirable children were awarded. Given favored treatment in hospitals, concessions in shops, theatre, and even in the railways. Honors of Bronze Cross was given for 4 children. A silver was given for 6 children, and a gold cross was given for 8 or more children. It means honor crosses were awarded to encourage women to produce many children. Women who did not follow prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and severely punished. Now we are going to discuss the art of propaganda. Mass killing were termed special treatment, final solution, euthanasia, selection and disinfections. Nazi ideas were spread through visual images, films, radios, posters, catchy slogans, and leaflets. Enemies of Germans, such as Jews, were shown as evil in posters. Hitler was shown as Messiah, a savior who had arrived to deliver people from their distress. Crimes against humanity. Many people were influenced by the idea of Nazi. They believed Nazism would bring prosperity and improve general well-being. Every German was not a Nazi. Large majority of Germans were passive onlookers. The Holocaust. The Nazi killing operations were called the Holocaust. Some of the horrible practices followed by Nazis had trickled out of the Germany during the war, but its full extent was known only when the war ended. The atrocities and suffering that Jews had experienced during the Nazi killing operations are called the Holocaust. Charlotte Bradett secretly recorded people's dreams in her diary and later published them, called the Third Reich of Dreams. The indomitable spirit to wear, witness and to preserve documents can be seen in many ghettos and camp inhabitants who wrote diaries, kept notebooks, and created archives. In contrast, the Nazi leadership distributed petrol to its followers to destroy all incriminating evidence, even they started losing the war. These memories by the victims are a tribute to those who resisted the persecution, a reminder to those who collaborated, and a warning to those who watched in silence. Year or date and important events. 20th April 1889, Adolf Hitler was born in Austria. 1st August 1914, First World War begins. 9th November 1918, Germany and the Central Power defeated in First World War, Weimar Republic established. 28th June 1919, Treaty of Versailles. 1919, Hitler joined the German Workers' Party, later on growing into the Nazi Party. 1922, Nazi Youth League founded, later it was renamed as Hitler Youth. 1923, Germany goes through economic crisis and hyperinflation. France occupies the Ruhr, Germany's coal mine area. 24th October 1929, Wall Street Exchange in USA crashed. 1932, Nazi Party becomes the largest party in the Reichstag. 1929 to 1932, Great Depression, national income of USA fell by half. 30th January 1933, Hitler became Chancellor of Germany. 28th February 1933, fire decree declared. 3rd March 1933, Enabling Act passed, establishing Hitler's dictatorship. 1933, Germany pulls out of the League of Nations. 1938, Germany and Austria integrated.